Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day, and I am super curious to see just how fast one man in this Ventrac with a blower and a backpack blower can clean these leaves. And that's a bunch of them, especially down here in this lower side. When we get back in the backyard, it's on a big slope, and then up on the top, it's a bunch of hardwood up there, so it's a bunch of leaves. So we're gonna see. First thing, I'm gonna take this blower, this backpack, I'm gonna go all the way around the house and blow it out far enough so that the blower on the front of the Ventrac can catch those leaves. I need to get it out far enough past the tires, that way I don't leave any trail behind. It's about 27,000 square feet of actual leaf area. If you included it all, this guy ain't on no fertilizer program or nothing. He's in my neighborhood. We just kind of mow it and keep the leaves up for him. So all in all, if I take the video part out of it and just me, the Ventrac and a backpack blower, it's going to be right around 25 minutes, roughly. And as you can see from the footage, there's quite a bit of leaves here. This thing moves leaves like its mind is bad. I could have they make a different blower for it. It's like a big turbine blower with a humongous tube on it. And I simply weighed out the cost. I wanted the smaller one because it costs considerably less and it's not I mean, the turbine blower is almost the size of the machine. Okay, I didn't want all that sticking out the front of the machine, so I got the smaller one, and it does just fine. So hope you like this video. Subscribe and all that cool stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.